if you are looking for any property close to the airport, this is one of like the best apartments you can see in Ikeja, Lagos State. Come inside, let's show them the apartments. Hi guys, Adedayo is my name. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I review apartments. This is a 3-bedroom apartment in the heart of Ikeja, 5 minutes to the airport. And you know what that means? This is a premium place, like a premium space. Once you enter the apartment, you will see a large living room. Like this is, I don't know, there's something about mainland that I've noticed. They have like enough space to, build enough space for like the developers, they don't manage space on like Lekki Phase 1. So something I noticed that stood out of this apartment is one tiny thing and existing. I don't know. It looks cute. For no reason, I just like it. I think it's like a timing something something something. So yeah, this apartment comes with an 85 inches TV. It comes with a DSTV. And remember, the first one I showed earlier, there's a fan in the apartment. So also this one comes with a fan as well. So in case you are someone who does not like, AC, this is a perfect place for you. Now, these furnitures are unique furnitures, right? You can see the texture, that's the fabrics. It's not the normal, cloth fabrics. It's giving leather kind of, very nice place to be. And the apartment is, spacious, 5G internet, so you don't have any issues. If you are a working class, you don't have any issues being here. If you are an expatriate, you don't have any issues being here. So come to the dining. This place comes with a beautiful dining area that can contain like 4 people. Yeah, 4 people to be precise. And also one thing I like about this place is this flower plants. I think I have a thing for flower plants these days. And also there's a nice mirror here also. There's a nice mirror, like you can be eating, and still be doing your video snap. Also come in, let's go to the room. Let's go. But before we go to the room, let's see the kitchen. There's nothing much in the kitchen, but let's see it. Come in. So this kitchen is fully equipped. It comes with a double door freezer. See, very nice, double door, massive. Like in fact, I think I like this a lot. I think more Airbnbs in Lagos should put something like this here in their properties. There's a heat extractor. Sorry, there's a heat extractor in this apartment. A gas cooker. You have your wardrobes. Oh, come. Let's show them this. I didn't see this, but I think I love this plate hanger here. I think I like the concept. So move back. Let them see. See this. A microwave, a very nice one. And I like this lighting we have under this place. So if you're a content creator, this place might also be like a nice place for you to be. There's oven and there's a washing machine in this apartment. So for people staying for long. Come, let's go and check the other place. That's the room. So remember, it is a 3-bedroom apartment. So the first room, oh my god, this place is spacious. That's one thing that stood out in this apartment. The space here, like I don't know if the developer, if they like don't know what to do with the building. So it's so spacious, and trust me, nice standard bedrooms. Yeah, the bed, see, nice bed, nice fibers, like fiber pillows, nice one. And there's like a nice console here. Please come like this so they can see it. There's a nice console. I think I love this, even though the TV is small for my liking. I don't know, it's a small for my liking. Unlike the other space that we went earlier, that one has a bigger TV in the room. And somewhere here you have your, see, a full wardrobe, like a full wardrobe, which makes a lot of sense. And we also have your bedroom here. You have your bedroom here. Sorry. Okay. You can come in. The water here is clean, so you don't have any worries. You don't have any problem. Yeah, let's go to the second room, please. So one thing I noticed about this place is all the rooms are alike. So I won't be spending much time in the rooms. They are like almost like the same thing, the same small TV. I don't know why they have small TV here, and I don't like it. So the same small TV, the same bed size, the same bed frames. And I don't. I think it's not bad for if you are just coming into Lagos and you just need somewhere to stay. I think it's not bad. So let's see the last room. So like I said, also this is almost like the same thing here as well. You can see. So I mean, let them see the this. I think this is like a very. This is not bad. It's impressive. That's the TV area, but the TV also is still like. I think this is like 30 or 40 something inches TV, which is not bad to be honest. For the price, it's not bad. And once you are coming in, you will see the cabinets. Let them see the cabinets, right? So, guys, if you know or if you think you love this video and you have any question about this apartment, do well to like the video, share it to your friends, comment. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comments. Also, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.